we have visitors.
Good morning. Or is it morning?
It's still morning. It's late morning.
It's
late morning, yeah. So what were you guys out doing?
We had to go to town. We got breakfast. Had to go grocery shopping and pick up some mail.
Aha.
And then we're gonna go pick up water on the way home.
How's Moo doing?
She's doing fabulous.
Lots of people asking us about that.
I know.
Moo, come here.
See?
Don't be out there looking for anything.
Yeah, get inside.
You come in the fence. It's clear in here. Nice and clean.
Yeah. Don't be.
We had viewers that were parked over where you were,
Uh-huh.
and I warned them because they had a dog over there. I was like, be careful where your dog goes in that little
they're
area.
gonna become a
Yeah.
druggie.
Pothead.
Pothead.
Well, I'm glad she came out of that okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it was
That was scary.
I think she was glad to be home.
Yeah. If you guys don't know what we're talking about, Moo had a really bad situation happen.
She ate something she shouldn't have off
Yeah.
the ground. We think she got it off the ground somewhere in camp, my old camp, and then she just started acting lethargic.
So if you want to see what was going on, go to Aja's channel, Pandemonium RV, right? Is it Pandemonium RV?
It's well, that's the easy way to find it is RV
I'll
Pandemonium.
put a link right here, guys, at the top. Hey. Hi, Kellogg. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Hi, baby. Hi, Moo. Hi. How are you? You look so much better. Yes, you do. Yeah. That was scary for Auntie, huh? Scary for your mommy, huh? All right, guys, we're just gonna visit for a little bit. All right, guys, I am making some pizza for dinner. We are using tortilla shells. What I'm doing is I'm just putting the shell underneath here in the broiler section, what they consider the broiler section of an RV oven, and I'm just kind of hardening off the tortilla shell just so that they don't get soggy. I just do that for just a few seconds. I pulled my tortilla shells out. Now listen, when I say I harden them off, what I do is I just get them so that they're not real pliable. That way the sauce, when I put it on there, doesn't make this soggy. I thought that the camera was rolling. It was not. I've already got my mozzarella and my mushrooms on here. Scotty and I usually have 1 to 2 each. You know, 1 or 2 of these each. So I always do 2 to begin with. Get some onions on there. I just throw it all on there, layer it up. Oh, it's probably a little dark in here. Sorry, guys. I was telling you guys, but the camera wasn't on. This is my imitation meat hamburger. Well, not hamburger. It's walnut mushroom meat. Or crumbles. I guess you want to call them crumbles. Some people get offended when you call them meat and it's not meat. So, crumbles. Let's do that. Then we don't offend anyone. Okay. I have not made this on camera, so I'll do that one of these days. I need to perfect it a little bit more. I made it the other night when we had taco salad with Aja and Jeff, and Aja really seemed to like it, so. But I'm still kind of perfecting my part of it. I take recipes from all over and kind of add what I want. Okay, let's see. Scotty, do you want cilantro on yours or not?
I will pass on the cilantro.
Okay. Scotty's not a huge cilantro fan, but I am. I love it. It's funny, you either like cilantro or you don't. I was talking to Sue, Nomad Ranch, out there at Aja's, you know, Sue and Ed. I was talking to her, and she's like, she couldn't get enough of it. Ed made some salsa, and she's like, you know, I just can't get enough of cilantro. So you either like it or you don't. All right, let's put this over here. I do cook with it with Scotty. You guys know that if you watch me long enough. But I try to be careful how much I put in there. And these are just artichoke hearts. They're marinated. I'm just using up some stuff that's been in the fridge, so that's what I always like about pizza night, because I can use up some stuff that we've had for salads or whatever. I actually also try to drain these if I remember to, because there's a lot of liquid in it. It seeps down into your, into the tortilla. Sun-dried tomatoes. Oh, I love them. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more onions on his, and then on mine. We might only have one each tonight. Those are kind of thick. I'm going to put the first one down on the bottom. Put the first and the second one up on the top. And I have it on broil. Just leave them in there like that. I'm going to switch them back and forth. That way, if I just had it on like 400, I wouldn't be able to cook both of them in there, because the broiler just like kind of does nothing unless you put it on the broil. Once the cheese starts melting on the top one, I'll put it on the bottom. So that's just how I found out that it works better for me. And then that way I can cook two at a time. I'm gonna rotate here. All right, see? Super, super yummy. Now, this one over here, it's gotten crispy on the bottom. Now I just need to brown it up on the top. That'll go in there. All right. I didn't get this one as brown as I like. I usually like the cheese to be a little bit more crisp, but I did not go all the way to the edge with my sauce or my ingredients, which I usually do. So it was starting to get a little crispy here. And if you get these too crispy, they taste kind of burnt. Oh gosh, these are so good.
Oh, we need some plates, correct?
Yeah. So one of our favorite pizzas used to be barbecue chicken. And we used to get it at a restaurant called the Silver City Brewery. And oh, it was so good, but they put sour cream on it. Now, of course, we don't have chicken on here. I am going to make some cauliflower bites, barbecue, one of these days, and try that on here, because I saw how somebody was doing barbecue, they were actually doing buffalo cauliflower on their pizza. Okay, hang on one moment. All right, usually we had fresh Parmesan, and I think we used it last night on spaghetti. Anyways, usually you put fresh Parmesan on it, but this is what we got. Put a little bit of avocado on it. And usually when I do this, I usually if I'm going to make one that tastes similar to what, with the barbecue, I've used barbecue for the actual sauce. So, there you go.
Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
That is so yummy.
Well, it's been a couple days. It actually will be a couple days before you guys see this. We were going to go up and put a night cam.
Oh, yep.
Yeah. We were going to put the night cam out on the tree. Scotty's got it all ready.
So this is our little night cam here. I've caught a lot of things on it. The funny thing is, it's usually me or Teri going out, or Pumpkin.
More Scotty.
Yeah.
More Scotty in the evening.
Yeah, more me
when
out
it's
in the
dark.
evening time. Anyways, our good friend Jay Willis gave this to us.
Yep.
So Jay, we're gonna catch something on this
One
camera.
of these days.
We keep trying.
All right, guys, kind of a short video. It was nice having Aja here visiting us today. Mainly just kind of sat around and caught up on some things we needed to do.
Yep.
And having dinner and...
Look at that.
Okay, you tell them how it tastes.
I know how it's gonna
Now
taste.
be honest. I had to pull it out of the oven sooner than usual. I'm not sure why. Oh,
Perfect.
maybe high altitude. I don't know. Not sure.
It's awesome.
All right, guys, that's it for tonight.
Thanks again for watching. Bon appetit. I think is how they say it. Later.